How to fill true values of a data frame with column names. I have a data frame with true and false values. I want to fill the true values with column names and false values with 0. How can I do that? I.E to get the result as.
First replace boolean to int and then use mask or where with inverting mask by tilde. Thank you John Galt for improvement in new versions of pandas 0.21.x. NumPy solution.
Pandas 1.5.2. Not a type, int, but a type, bool, or a type, bool. Otherwise value error, boolean array expected for the condition, not uint 8. Can't remove dot to underscore series. Otherwise value error, other must be the same shape as self when an end array.
Fácil que